Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. And if you're new, welcome. Sorry about my voice. I'm still getting over that weird cold that I've had for, I don't know, 2.5 weeks. It comes and goes. The lighting's a little weird because I have the window open. So if you hear any weird noises, that's our neighborhood can be noisy sometimes. Anyway, I'm going to open my Eyescream Beauty box. Eyescream Beauty box is a subscription service, and it's $29.99, I believe. $29 for the box, and that includes shipping, and I believe they have a bag too, and I'm not sure how much that is. But let's get into this box. Alright, I'm filming this on Easter morning. Our internet service was down, down yesterday due to some storms. So, I'm filming this, and hopefully there will be a playlist of the other Beauty Ninjas Mask Mondays down below. I'm going to film this and try to get it in, and then go celebrate Easter. Alright, so on the inside of the box it says, the best things in life are sweet. And I'm sure this is Easter themed, so it's going to be a day late. But that is okay. Let me grab my glasses. Alright, let's get into this mask real quick. I am using the Spa Life Coconut Calm and Restore Soothing Natural Extract Facial Mask with ceramides. And it looks like that. And it says to leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. We believe when you feel good on the inside, you look good on the outside. Loaded with anti-inflammatory benefits, coconut helps replenish the skin with refreshing moisture while promoting a cool and calm complexion. I worked outside all day yesterday and got my porch ready to go to the nursery and plant some flowers and herbs. Alright, so that's what it's looking like. These packing peanuts are biodegradable, which is nice. I should have got rid of them before I started filming. They're going everywhere. Alright, so I'm going to kind of go, you get a card with it. I'm going to go by the card. Wow, okay. First on the list, no wonder I'm struggling. Sorry guys, I'm a little disorganized today. As you can see, I worked hard yesterday and I'm exhausted. And those storms were crazy. Alright, Creamy Bullet Lipstick by Medusa Makeup. It's priced at $14. It says creamy lipstick is a must-have because of its rich pigment, smooth application, long-lasting formula. Medusa's makeup delivers bold, beautiful color with a comfortable wear that won't dry out your lips. This is in the shade Tamed. Let me move this down just a hair. Oh, okay. A little dark. That's what it looks like. Looks darker in person. Alright, so there's that. The Medusa Creamy Bullet Lipstick in Tamed. Then we have Eyeshadow Base Primer by Beauty Creations. They're $6 each. These colorful cuties may be called primers, but they're so much more than that. While they look great as a base, you can also use them in tons of creative ways as liquid eyeshadow, eyeliner. Just grab a fine brush to boost pastel shadows, as color correctors to mix and create custom shades under multi-chromes, etc. Shades are perfect for spring, and the creamy formula makes them super fun to play with. Basically, these are your new multitasking makeup must-haves. Alright, I got Starstruck, which is blue. I Lilac You. And Starry, which is like a light blue. So, this is what they look like. Interesting. I'm curious about those. Excited to use that. Alright. The next up on the list is Multi-Chrome Liner by Carmesy Global. Newest addition to their multi-chrome liners, this liner shifts between white, silver, blue, green, and lilac. Use it on top of your colored primers to get different effects, or on its own for a more supple effect. Alright, so. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hurry. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Oh, nice pointing. If you can see that little line. Oh, I see pink and green shifts in it. That's pretty. Okay. Alright, that's pretty cool. And next on the list is Blush Sorbet by Estate Cosmetics. Oh, and the multi-chrome thing was $21. And this is worth $15. Say hello to your new blush bestie. This is a super blendable gel blush that gives you that just right flush of color. The lightweight formula melts into the skin and works beautifully under powder blush to help your look last all day long. Comes in 6 universal shades, and you'll be getting one of them in your box. Tap it on with your fingers or a brush. It's pigmented. Then layer your flavored powder blush for a long-lasting pop. Alright, I got the color Passion. That's what it looks like. We're gonna Alright, yeah, you can shear it out, but it's definitely there. Alright, I like that. That's good. Alright, last but not least, Bunny Love. Oh, this is cute. Bunny Love Palette by Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics. This gorgeous palette includes 10 beautiful shadows, 1 glowy highlighter, 2 soft blushes that are perfect for spring. It's a dreamy mix of neutrals and soft spring shades. Super wearable and totally beginner friendly. The formulas blend like a dream, making it easy to create effortless everyday looks or add a little extra glam when you're feeling it. Trust us, this palette is a must-have for your spring makeup routine. It's worth $40. So that's over the cost of the box right there. That's the back. Let me see if I can get this out of here. Alright, that's what it looks like. Ooh. It does have a mirror. Wow. Look at that. That's really pretty. Look at that highlighter. Look at this blush. Oh, it's like dewy. And that's the middle brush, whiskers. This one. Very pretty. Alright, so that's the box. We got the palette, the blush, the eyeliner, the 3 shades eye primers, liner, shadow, and the Medusa lipstick. So, I'm going to put this, I'm just going to hold it. Alright, so that's my Beauty Ninja Mask one day for today. Sorry it was so long. Please go down below. There'll be a playlist. Go watch the other Beauty Ninjas and see what they're doing today. Alright, until next time. Bye.